Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you are. Today we're going to be looking at Epidemic Sound and why you should be using Epidemic Sound for your music. This video is sponsored by Epidemic Sound, so thank you very much, but more on that soon. Okay, so why should we be using Epidemic Sound for your videos? Well, the first one is, and I really like this feature, is if you buy it for a year, it's only £7 a month. Which is £84 for the year, or £10 a month, and they actually have now a mobile app, so you can just find music on the go as you're out and about. You can find music, so that's number one. And the second reason you should be using Epidemic Sound is if you're using music for any kind of client work or uploading videos to your YouTube or your social media or anything else like that. Yes, you can connect it in Canva, but then that can cause some kind of issues sometimes. The easiest way around that is if you're using Epidemic Sound, and especially if you're using Epidemic Sound for commercial work or for clients, the last thing you want to do is get a copyright strike for one of your clients, because I can pretty much guarantee you're never going to get any repeat business from that client. If you've got the commercial plan, you can then come into Epidemic Sound and actually release those videos for your clients so that they're not going to get a copyright strike. Number 3 on the list, and that is you can actually create playlists. So if you're wanting to find different music that goes together, similar types of music, and I'm going to come on to a great new feature as to how you can find similar music in a moment. But if you want to find similar music, you can put them into different playlists, and then when you're looking for a particular vibe for a video or anything else like that, you can actually come find that music in your playlist and then just go through that playlist and find other songs that are similar to that. Feature number 4 is a great new feature in Epidemic Sound called Ear. Now this allows you to find a particular part of the track and then find similar songs that have got that kind of similar kind of sounding element, if you like. Let me show you exactly what I mean. So I can come into Epidemic Sound here, and I've come onto this track here, and you can see I can see the wave format, and I like the way a particular part of the song sounds. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and this little icon here, and it says find similar powered by ear. Okay, so this is finding similar parts of the track on other tracks, if that makes sense. Okay, so let me click that and let me show you. So what I can do is I can come in here and say I like this bit here, and it goes to this bit here. I'm just going to choose that particular part of the song. So let's listen to that part of the song. Now what that's done is it's gone away into the library and it's finding other songs that sound similar to that particular part of the song. Okay, and it's going to jump directly to that. You can see as I click down on this, you can see this is the part of the song here, and you can see down here, and it's going to actually start the song. When I press play, it's going to start the song at the point in that track where it's got that similar sound, so I can just quickly come down and find other songs that sound similar. So there you go, sounds very similar to me. It's got very similar kind of like vibe and beat. And yes, you do have the feature called Find Similar Songs. So this is Find Similar Songs, but this is the new option called Ear, which I find is really good, really intuitive. You can just come down, you can see here, these are the tracks that it's finding that are similar to this. So we can come down and we can just choose this one. And you can see down here, it started that track at 36 seconds or thereabouts. So it's found it in that particular part of the track. And then you've got other similar tracks here, and you can just come down and use those. So that's number 4. It's a new feature called Ear. And if you do want to try Epidemic Sound, as I say, Epidemic Sound are a sponsor of this video, so thank you very much for them supporting this channel. I really do appreciate that. If you want to try out Epidemic Sound, I'll put a link down below for you to try it free for 30 days. Give it a go and let me know what you think. If you're using Epidemic Sound already, let me know what your favourite feature is. I'd love to find out kind of what your favourite feature is. Maybe it's something that I've not found in Epidemic Sound so far, but let me know down in the comments what your favourite feature is. And number 5 that I like, and that is recommendations for your YouTube channel based on music that you've previously used. Okay, so here we are, we're in Epidemic Sound, and you just come to the Discover tab, and this is going to say for your YouTube channel. So I can come in here, and all these tracks are similar kind of like vibes and music that I've used before. If there's something, or you've used a particular track far too much, you can come, you can click refresh. It's going to keep refreshing that for you. You can just click refresh as many times as you want and find something new. Maybe there's a new vibe that you want to go for. You can come over to the browse section, or you can look at your saved section, so you can find kind of like an area that, or a particular set of tracks that you've liked in the past. And I can add a note. I never knew about it. Okay, so this is a 6th one. And this is a bonus one because I just found this whilst making this video. I didn't know that I can actually add notes on there. So I could say used for client A on project X, whatever it was. That's brilliant. I'm genuinely amazed by all the features that they use and keep adding to Epidemic Sound. Go check them out, click the link in the description, click like, click subscribe, all of that. And until next time, thank you very much and bye for now.